Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense and an Easter idiom. Well, an egg idiom, which makes it an Easter idiom, which makes it oh, let's go see. Egg on. What does that mean? I know what an egg is, and I know what on means. Egg, 3 letters. On, 2 letters. 2 words, 5 letters, and a big meaning. Come on. Egg on means to encourage someone to do foolish or risky behavior. Eek, don't egg anyone on. Let me use it in a sentence. We egged on our friend to get him to jump. It was a risky jump we egged on. Don't egg anyone on. Why does English have a saying like egg on that means to encourage risky behavior? I don't know. I mean, I like eggs, but is that risky? But now you can read and understand these sentences, I hope. It's never good to egg on a friend and then have a disaster happen. You wind up with egg on your face. What? Come on, English.